So I'm from Bangalore. Actually, I started during lockdown, COVID. Initially, I started with no knowledge at all. I was a fresher and no knowledge on the trading. Okay, so blindly, I used to follow the trades, random trades in the Telegram channels. Okay, I used to follow them, and eventually I used to lose a lot of money there. So I cannot blame them. I cannot contact them. Why you have given the wrong trades? So again, I thought of giving who are expert in the trading, who can handle my account. So account handling also is done, and I paid the price of 2 lakhs. I lost the 2 lakhs. So initially he gave me 25,000, 30,000 profit, but later on, simply he said after 2 lakhs, simply he said that the market reversed. So what should I do? So I got really frustrated.
Okay.
And I got really frustrated, and I started by more. And no idea, so where to start, how to start, no idea at all, and to earn something. So initially I thought of learning, but instead of learning directly, I jumped into the trade. So that is my first mistake. And so that day I already booked a trading psychology of yours. I was searching randomly in the Flipkart and Amazon where I can improve. So I understood that I have a trading psychology problem. So why I'm losing my money. So from there, I started looking at random books. So different author names and random books, and have seen a couple of reviews, the trading psychology book of yours. So I thought of said so much money I lost. Why don't I try and read the book? So I ordered the book. Next day, couple of days it should deliver, but next day only I blown my account like anything. 5 to 6 lakhs I lost.
Oh my God! You lost 5 to 6 lakh.
5 to 6 lakhs I lost. That moment, that sentiment was down. I thought of take the trade at the upside down because I predicted it will reverse and it will go up. Because there are a lot of downfall happen, and again I predicted myself and it will definitely reverse. So I didn't know the logic at all, but I predicted simply that it will reverse, and praying to God so it will reverse. Yes.
So you were doing unknowingly, you are doing hope trading.
Hope trading, yes, that is there in the book. Hope trading. So the time of the book delivered, and was so upset, and I lost a lot of money, and I thought of leaving the stock market. I don't want to try anything. So 1 or 2 days, I did not open the parcel itself, and weekend, fine day weekend. So I opened the parcel and I started reading the book, first page, second page. So seems like it's interesting. And the most, the beauty is the book is completely in the very common and simple language. Okay, that anybody can understand. It is not like some foreign books is complete complexity of English, so somebody won't understand properly. But this book, when I read,
Can you show the book?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a book. This is a book. I love it. It's a book. I love it. And I started reading the book. And whenever, I get, this is affirmation. You won't believe I have underlined it.
Okay. Can you show? Just bring me in front of the camera. Okay. Yes, I am happy. Correct.
Yeah.
We can read it.
After reading this book, I ended up with the TS first. So this is a book, and this is the thing I needed now. And I have read this book couple of times, 2 to 3 times. Last month also I read it. Whenever I lose hope, or whenever I feel frustrated, or whenever I feel lost, so I definitely go to this book and I will read it. So whenever I read this, I learn something new. So that is a thing, that is a beauty, I can say.